And special thanks to our friends over at POWEROWL who were nice enough to send us this universal battery charger. So inside of this is the model MY-C003, and it's compatible with a ton of different batteries to recharge them. So let's open it up, show you what we have here. Little company card. Included, this is actually not USB-C, it's a micro USB cable. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of rechargeable POWEROWL AA 2800 milliamp hour batteries here. That's what they look like. Little POWEROWL rechargeable nickel metal battery, 2200 milliamp hours, AA. And they do give you 8 of those with this. Then take this out, instruction set, nothing else for the box. And if we look at this, this is our charger. So you can see how this being adjustable allows it to be able to do multiple different types. So for the AA's, it will just push it in place, boom, you plug in. Oh, it's actually both. Look at that design. So this side is a micro USB, which is the cable included right here, but this side is a USB-C. So if you've got USB-C, you can just plug it in with USB-C. They must just not have updated that cable yet. That is awesome. That is essentially a look at how this would work. You pop your batteries in, and the best part, they're each numbered. So like number 1, 2, 3, and when they're full up here, you'll end up getting a light on this little indicator. So really like it, nice and smooth, great for video game controllers. I used to use rechargeable batteries a lot for my video game controllers because it just made it easy, especially having 8 of them. You only need 2 at a time, easy to swap them in and out. Thanks again to POWEROWL, who was nice enough to send me this universal battery charger with 8 AA rechargeable POWEROWL batteries. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.